Welcome to the complete guide to DSLR video production, where you'll learn how to make high-quality videos with your DSLR camera. My name is Phil Ebener, and I'm a professional video creator, editor, and online instructor. Over the past few years, I've literally created thousands of documentaries, short narratives, music videos, commercials, promo videos, tutorials, and most of them I've been using a DSLR camera to shoot. DSLR cameras are amazing cameras for shooting video. They can capture beautiful cinematic footage on a budget, they're lightweight and you can run around with them, and they're relatively easy to use. But it still takes a little bit of knowledge and information to make sure that you are capturing beautiful footage all of the time, and that's what this course is here to do for you. This course walks you through DSLR production from the very beginning, understanding the camera, how it works, using the manual settings and knowing what all the buttons are on your camera, recording amazing audio for DSLR productions, using lights and composing beautiful images, and then how to edit your DSLR video. There's also a section of advanced tips that will take your DSLR productions to the next level. I designed this course for anybody with a DSLR camera that just wants to learn the video setting, whether you're a photographer, a video novice, or just anyone with a camera that wants to learn a new skill. I hope you're intrigued by now and are ready to enroll, but if not, read the description below, find out more about the class. You can even preview the class for free to get a feel for the lessons. Of course, there's the 30-day money-back guarantee if you don't like the course, but I know that you're going to love the course. I will continually improve the course, adding new content as I think of new things to teach, and I just can't wait to see you in the course. Thank you so much for watching. Enroll now and we'll see you inside.